Hey, it's that time again. I'm feeling a little hungry, but I didn't really have a whole lot of food around, so don't tell them, but I snuck into my neighbor's yard, and they're an organic gardener, and I just plucked these fresh nasturtiums right out of them. And these are going to go into our salad, so as well as our other ingredients here. So first off, we're going to chop up this celery and have that ready for the salad. Then next we will prepare these pistachios for our lovely nasturtium salad. De-shelled, of course. Then next we just need a little bit of chopped onion. Don't be too sad about it, it's the onion's job. I don't want you to cry too much. And what salad wouldn't be complete with a little bit of lettuce? This time we're using romaine lettuce. And then we just add a little bit of salt to taste, and then throw it all together. And last but not least, our lovely nasturtiums for color and flavor. Isn't that a pretty little salad? So give this a try. I know it's not obvious that you can eat flowers necessarily, but these ones do make a good salad. So let me know if you try it out, if you like it. Leave it a comment below, and I'll see you next time.